Gus Schmidt back with a new trading video. And I'm on the OTC pair USD COP. And I've been utilizing my crossover, my 1050 EMA crossover strategy with the retracement. And I'm in the process of about to take a trade on this pair here. First, we see the crossover, the 10 and the 50, the 10 being the white line, the 50 being the green line. And I'm waiting for the price to retrace and hit that 10 EMA line so I can take a put trade or a sell trade. And here we go. Okay, so I just took the trade. Very accurate strategy. I've been really able to grow my account. It's a very stable strategy that you can utilize on the OTC markets on pocket option. I'm very bullish on this strategy. So let's wait for this trade to expire. We're looking at 15-second regular candles, and I'm taking 1-minute trades. Excellent movement here. And bam, bada bing, bada bang. And so, for many people that don't know, I've been involved in binary options since 2008, 2009. I'm probably one of the godfathers of binary options before it actually became really popular back in, I would say, the 2013 to 2015 time. But anyway, yeah, getting back to this strategy, I have two moving averages set up here. The first moving average is the 10 exponential moving average, which I mentioned, which is the white line. So uh, uh, I've set that. And then the second moving average is the 50 EMA, exponential moving average. So what you do is you just click on the indicator button here and go to moving average, click that on twice, and then that's how you set up your indicators. Okay, and then in addition to that, my candlesticks are, as I mentioned, I set it to 15-second candles, regular Japanese candles. So each of these candles are 15 seconds. And my trade timer is set to 1 minute. Okay, let's pause the video and look for another setup. Okay, so I'm back on the Euro Swiss franc OTC pair, and I just took a put trade, a sell trade on the pair because initially we see the crossover, sharp crossover here with these real red bearish candles, and then there was a sharp retracement back to the 10 EMA line. And so let's monitor this trade and wait for it to expire. Bam. Okay, great. We won that trade. It was close, but we got the trade. Generally, I wouldn't execute a trade, being that this currency pair has been consolidating here across the time. So let's pause the video and look for a more optimal trade. Okay, so I'm on the USD BRL OTC pair, and I just took a sell trade, a put trade. First things first, the 10 EMA crosses the 50, and then I patiently wait for the price to retrace back to the 10 EMA line, and then I took the trade. All right, so let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry. Okay, great. So we won that trade. All right, so let's pause the video and look for another trade. Okay, so I'm back finally with another trade here on the USD MXN, the Mexican peso OTC pair. First, I waited for the crossover of the 10 and the 50 EMA line at the top. Secondly, the price broke the previous level of support there, and I waited for the price to retrace back to the 10 EMA line. So let's follow this trade. Great. Just as we predicted, it respected the price respected that 10 EMA line and pushed further downward, and bam. Okay, great. So we won that trade as well. So I have the videos in a playlist of this strategy. So I recommend that you guys watch the playlist as I go through the different scenarios with this strategy. There are some parts of the videos where I explain where you should not take a trade as well. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share the video with your friends. Thank you for watching the video. Gus Schmidt signing off.